Yo, what's up guys? It's Pygoz here, the Crypto Pie, and today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin because Bitcoin will indicate what the market is doing, guys. And well, as you might see here, I have something completely different on my screen. That's because just to show you guys that in the stock market, the same thing happens, right? Well, obviously this is pretty bad, but what you see here, guys, is Facebook, alright? So Facebook plummeted in after hours, apparently. I think it was after hours. It plummeted 18%, guys. Alright, 18%. Basically, I mean, basically 20%. Alright, that is what can happen to anything. Alright, people say like crypto's volatile. Well, guess what? Stocks can also just fall. This tells me that a crisis might be coming. I mean, you know, big stocks like Facebook just falling like that. That's quite concerning. But anyways, guys, let's get on to Bitcoin and let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Right, so I took everything off again because we're gonna do a count again, and we're gonna count it a little differently this time. Right, we have to acknowledge that our counts can't always be right. And this looks so weird to me, right? It doesn't look to be impulsively going corrective. So obviously I have some wave wrong, and that happens, right? So it's just it's not doing what I want it to do, right? So that means I have a wave wrong, because otherwise it would just do what you want it to do, right? Let's just put it on the 1 hour actually. I have it zoomed out, and we're just gonna look at the bigger picture. Okay, so well, what if, and let me just zoom this out like that. Okay, so we have the whole thing on here now, right? Basically from all the way from 10k up to here. Well, what if, let me put this on yellow. Well, this is 1, right? We know that much. Okay, this is 2. But what if 3 is not done yet, and 3 goes up to like around here, for example? Then it goes back here, and then we're gonna get a 4. I mean 4 here, and then a 5 up to that 10k area. What if that's the case, guys? It's just a possibility, but we have to take a look if that would work. Okay, so I'll put this on minuet, and there we go. So now you might like ask yourself, well, why, right? Let's first do the small waves again, guys. So take the blue one here. Basically, what we had was a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that one's pretty easy to spot, right? Nothing can go wrong here. We know this was it. Why do we know this was it? Well, quite simple, because after that you had a big retrace, and you can easily spot the ABC in here, right here, right? You basically have your ABC down here, but after that, now it gets tricky. Okay, so where do you want to have your 1 within this 3 wave? Because it's really tricky, guys. It's very tricky. And let me just zoom in here, because I honestly don't have a clue. Okay, so we're just gonna try something. So what if 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you get a massive 5? Yeah, no. See, I don't like that. So then what I'm more inclined to do is a 1, a 2, right? A 3, a 4, and then you have this as the 5. Then you have a retracement, and you're gonna do another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But see, it's very hard to count this one, guys. It's just because we have no clue. Okay, so I can also say this is a 1, 2. a 3, and we're gonna get a 4 now. Okay, we're gonna get a 4, and then we're gonna get a 5 to finish this one. That's another. This is a count that I can actually like. You know, it's a count I can accept. So, but then what we have to look at is that the 4 needs to retrace. Well, first of all, our 1 to 2 needs to retrace preferably between the 0.5 and 618. Well, it didn't, right? It didn't. It only went to 236, which is possible. It's just a very, very, very bullish retracement. It's a possibility, okay? And I'm willing to take a look at this. So what we have to look at then is that from this 2 to the 4, see, the 38.2 is right at the 8,000 line now. And I can kind of get into this count. So yeah, we already went in between the 236 and the 382. It might have already been done, but what I think is we will get some kind of double bottom, and then we'll go to finish that 5. Okay, so I'll put my 4 right here, and that's kind of how I look at it. Okay, so just quickly, guys, yesterday I took a trade, right? I took a trade right around here. Well, not because of much. The only reason was because of a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because of I counted 5 waves down, and I mean, then I know there's at least some kind of upswing. But I took my profits around here already because I anticipated that we would go down further, right? This would only be a 1 and then a 2, 3, 4, 5. But now it didn't do that, so that's why we're recounting here. You know, because this obviously confused me, and I think it confused a lot of you. So that's why we're recounting here, guys, and I think that this is a better count to have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 within here, right? So now what we need to find is if the 2 to the 3 also has a 5. Well, we already know it does because we counted this before. So let's put the green here, and we're going to count this one now, like a 1, a 2, well, 3, right? 4, somewhere here, doesn't really matter, and then 5. Okay, so that is something that we can definitely count here, because, well, frankly, if we put this on, we need to put this on micro. This looks to be okay. And then within this 5th wave, we have another count, right? We have another 5 waves. So let's make this a pink. Doesn't really matter. So what if this is a 1, a 2, 3, 4, 5? And well, we need to make this even more. Make this sub-micro, okay? So now we're really getting into the depth of the counts, guys. Waves within waves, right? So, but you know, it's all working out like this, okay? So then 4, we get a 4 right now, and then we'll get a 5. We just need to find the right count, guys, in order to play the trade, okay? I know it's easy to take this trade at least because you had 5 waves down. When you count 5 waves down, guys, you buy, okay? You just buy, you don't even care. You buy and you see it going up, and if it goes further down, well, guess what? You just take your loss. It's that simple. But often the case, when you see 5 waves going down, you buy and you're in the right there, okay? And you make some profit. I mean, yes, I took my profit way too early because I simply didn't know the count well, and like the complete count, and that messes you up in Elliott Wave for sure. So I call that a failed trade, but it was still a profit, right? So right now, well, what we're looking here at is potentially like a 1, 2, and then so we're on the 15-minute here, if we take a look at the Fibonacci extension tool here, what if this is a 1 and then a 2? Let's see what we get. Okay, so the 1 to 1 will be around 8,100. 1.618 is right around here, 8,022. So right, so I'm just gonna look, guys. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to look where this is gonna end up, right, based on the 5 waves down. So that is what I'm looking for. I mean, if I don't catch 5 waves, then it's gonna be hard for me to enter. Unless, of course, I'm just gonna be bold and enter because double bottom, like I said a little bit before. That's a possibility. But anyways, guys, this is my count right now, right? So basically, we redid the count here. Like we have a 1, 2, right, and then a 3, 4, and then the 5 is up here, and that's gonna make our 3. Okay, so that's just gonna make our 3. Nothing more, nothing less. And let's take a look if that is correct. If we use the Fibonacci extension tool here. So we take this low, and it's nothing more than guessing, guys, right? It's just the same for me, right? So we'll take this low. All right, so well, the 3 should be too. Well, since the 3 didn't even hit a 1 to 1, what that tells me is that the 5 cannot be, you know, it cannot be like it cannot be longer than the 2 to 3, right? Because the 1 is our longest wave here. Well, that's possible, and the 5 will just get, you know, around here, which is fine. I mean, let's just take a look at the waves here. If we take date and price, so like that, right? And then if we put this over here, well, that's obviously not the case here. So, but then here, the 5 cannot be bigger. So if we put this right here, where I think the 4 will be, see, it's smaller, so the 5 can be up here. That's completely fine. So I'm inclined to discount right now, guys. Okay. So, and then we have a 3, and then we'll get a 4. Then we're really gonna get the 4, guys. Okay. So what I think then, right, is obviously from this swing low to this swing high up here, and then we're looking for a 382, so about 8,000 once again. But why wouldn't I want to play this swing and then again this swing, right? That, of course, I do wanna. And then we'll go to the 5, which is it's gonna be somewhere up here at the -1, around that 9.7 to 10k. Okay, so, and that's also gonna be well, 1.618 is actually right up here. So this makes sense to me. Okay, so that's the count I have right now, guys. And remember that I showed you Facebook. So Facebook plummeted. That is a bad sign for the stock market. So yeah, let's just get rid of these Fibonacci's here for now. Okay, we don't need any of them. But yeah, we did our count here, guys. Obviously within this one, there's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know, there's a 5 within here as well that we can quickly do if you want, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, somewhere like that, right? So we have that within here as well, and that is obviously then a micro. And oh, so yeah, this is the count that we have right now, guys. And I mean, this is what I stay with right now. And we'll see how this one plays out, right? We'll see if we make any trades today. Yesterday I did make a trade, even though my count was wrong, and well, you get like small profit then. But hey, it was still profit, guys, because you just need to count 5 waves and then you go in. Okay, so that's pretty much it, guys. Also, if you're not in my Telegram yet, join up with the CryptoPies blog, where you can ask me any question, you can ask other people questions. It's just a great chat box to be in, right? A bunch of new people joined, so welcome. Here we go to Jason, Thomas, Ashutosh, Eric, and Mahi. and also M and Darren. So welcome, guys. That's great to see. I hope you enjoy your stay, and if you have questions, just ask. Yeah, that's pretty much what went on here. As for self key, guys, just be patient. As long as it doesn't make a lower low than the low that it already put in, then it's still a valid wave count. Okay, so stay patient with self key. Other than that, guys, also join up with the CryptoPies feed where I post all my videos, post about upcoming ICOs. When I find an ICO, I'll tell you guys about it, so you can get whitelisted and get ready for the sale. What I look for in an ICO is great infrastructure projects, right, such as blockchains and protocols. I look for an MVP, a minimum viable product. I obviously look at a strong team and low token metrics, right, so meaning a low market cap, so we can flip it and make some money there. Also, guys, follow me on Twitter, which is twitter.com/Pygoz, where I post charts, I post videos, just another announcement channel, basically, right? And also follow me on Twitch, which is twitch.tv/Pygoz, where I will most likely do a live stream tomorrow to go over the crypto market roundup, because I want to catch up with you guys as well. If you got any questions regarding charts, or on how to do Fibonacci's, etc. Yeah, so we'll do a live stream tomorrow instead of a video for the crypto market roundup. There will be a video, but most likely a Bitcoin update or something else about an altcoin or something. But yeah, I want to do a live stream with you guys. So tomorrow expect a live stream for the crypto market roundup. So yeah, guys, follow me on there as well. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, both telegrams will be in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, hit that post notification button, and if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.